Good morning. Alright, so you can see where all of that rust converter was. It turned it like blacky, dark brown. Okay, now what that did is that neutralized the oxidation of the rust. So we need to waterproof this now. It looks like there's some awkward angles in here, but I'm just using this stuff here. And I'm going to put a really fat glob. If you notice, in some spots you could see there's still a little bit of the old existing silicone, and new silicone does not stick to that stuff too well. So I want to make sure I put a nice big fat goober of it all the way around. Nice big goober. It's pretty thick. And then we'll go through and we'll kind of level it out. Oops, I moved you. You're there still. Almost. This is an awkward section here. I'm going to take this tool now, just a handy dandy silicone spreader, and I'm not pushing hard, but just enough to smooth it out and spread it out. Remember, we want it nice and wide because we already have some existing silicone there. We want to make sure it sticks. Alright, that looks good. Now, let's put a little bit around this drain. I did do the bottom side of it before the video just to save time. I did the whole bottom outline and the drain. Okay. Goes around lightly. You gotta keep in mind this is going to be an oasis, so this whole capacity in here is going to be filled with a waterproof like lava rock or pea gravel or something, because I need a medium. I'm going to put a pump in here. I don't want to jump the gun already. That's getting a little too far ahead. But that's the step that we're on now, is now we're waterproofing the inside of this fairy fountain that we're building. So when this stuff dries, I'll be back for the next step. Later, y'all, and happy farming.